Shares in ARK's Innovation Exchange ETF, known as ARKK, have dropped more than 50% since the start of this year 2022 and more than 70% since their all-time high in February of 2021, against a backdrop of souring sentiment towards speculative assets. Some of the fund's biggest bets, which includes Tesla, have been badly hit as central banks raised interest rates aggressively to curb scorching inflation. In turn, assets under management at ARKK have shrunk to less than $9 billion from a peak of $28 billion. But in a sign that many believe Wood's legacy is not yet behind her, ARKK still attracted nearly $1.5 billion of inflow year to date, according to tracking sites, with enthusiasts focusing on the longer term opportunities of thematic ETF investing. Todd Rosenbluth, head of research at VerifAI, a New York based consultancy, said ARKK's focus on disruptive innovation as a long-term investment theme had drawn strong interest from US financial advisors. Financial advisors are using a small size slice of their portfolios to hold thematic ETFs like ARKK. Many see this price weakness as a buying opportunity, he added. But some anticipate further market ructions in the months ahead, painting a bleak picture for growth opportunity or growth companies rocked by higher borrowing costs. Many such organizations benefited from a period of easy money during the early stages of the COVID-19 pandemic, with near zero interest rates flattering their projected cash flows and earnings. ARKK's slump this year has been a boon for SARK. The Total Capital Short Innovation ETF launched in November of 2021 as a direct way to bet against the performance of ARKK. SARK posted a return of 68% in the first 6 months of this year 2022, ranking it as one of the best performing ETFs over the time period, according to VerifAI. The fund registered net inflows of $223 million in the first half of this year 2022, helping to expand its assets to $459 million. ARKK won fame for Cathie Woods and provided its early investors with blockbuster returns after the actively managed ETF delivered returns of more than 150% in 2020. However, its performance sharply reversed in 2021, and it closed the year more than 23% lower. The value of ARKK's shares that have been shorted stands at $1.23 billion after an increase of $55 million in June of 2022 alone, according to S3 Partners, a specialist data provider. So see what you make of all of these things, all of these news concerning ARK investment and its ARK. So thank you very much for watching this